everybody, it's Lon Simon. We've got another unboxing, and this morning it is the Tab 4 8 Plus that I got in on loan from Lenovo. And we're going to have a full review of this coming up very shortly on the main channel. This is an Android tablet, an 8-inch Android tablet. I often like these 8-inch tablets because they are small enough that you can hold in your hand but have a big enough screen to look at everything on. This was previously open, so it's got a few fingerprint marks on it. Lenovo usually does a quick inspection of these before they send them out. And sometimes I get them after another member of the media got them. But I'm very pleased with the display on it. It's got an IPS 1080p display, full HD. Looks really nice here, and we'll be exploring more of that in the full review. Now, what's kind of neat about this is that it's got a fingerprint sensor here on the side, which this is also doubling as the power button. So you have a single motion here to unlock the tablet and get into it. And it supports multi-users, so you can have multiple users register their fingerprints, and they each get a unique experience when they power on the device. That was kind of a neat thing, and we'll explore how that works in the full review. You got a volume rocker over here, so you can adjust your volume, of course. And one of the unique things that I'm seeing on here is that the speakers are on the lower portion of the bezel, but they're forward-facing. So you've got stereo speakers on the left and the right. It's very lightweight. We'll give you the full weight in the full review. Very thin, as you can see. There's also a SIM card slot and an SD card slot here underneath this Lenovo tab. That's probably why they call it tab, right? So you can pull out this little tray here, and this tray supports both the SD card and a SIM card, so you can use this without a Wi-Fi connection if you're out on the road or whatnot. So we'll put that back in there. Headphone jack there. You've got looks like a USB Type-C port right here, so it's got a more modern connection there, and that looks like it's pretty much it. So that is the tablet. So what we're going to be doing with this one is getting it booted up. We're going to install all of our apps on it, and we'll have a full review coming up later this week on the main channel at lon.tv. And I always forget to unbox the rest of the box here, so let's take a look and see what else we have in here. So this is the charging cable. It's a USB 3 to a USB-C cable. And then over here it looks like we have our power adapter. So let's see what that looks like. I wonder how much amperage this one provides, if it'll fast charge or not. So let's get into the box here and find out. And, oops, it's Monday morning, so I can't do anything correctly today. So this looks like a 5.2 volts, 2 amps. This is a standard, standard tablet charger there. So that is that. And then here, it looks like we have some instructions and other things. A little, what is this? Let's see. This looks like a little chamois cloth for getting that screen cleaned up, and you've got your user guide here and the warranty info. So that is the main unboxing. We're going to have the full review, though, coming up very shortly on the main channel at lon.tv, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters of the Black Eyed and Blues Music Hour podcast: Chris Allegretta, Gerard Newberg, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.